G'day and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at December 10th, 2025's Accentuate the Negative by Clover. I was one of our sellers here at Gas HQ, so my name is Bill Murphy. G'day, how you doing? Last time I saw you, I think I was recording a video pre-Meredith, and now I'm post-Meredith. And shout outs to very specifically the band Atarashi Gakko, who were amazing. I heard Nia Jirachi was also amazing. For my one Australian homie ever who will know who the Peep Temple were, they're so we are Gas, genuinely approachable Sudoku. We create and solve genuinely approachable Sudoku for you, the person watching this. You will find the link to today's puzzle in the description down below. You will also find hat times. 2 hats for a fast time, 1 hat for a pretty fast time. Everyone gets a dinosaur because we love you all equally. That being said, I'm going to jump into it now. Let's do it. So, this is Accentuate the Negative. So last time I saw you, I was doing a Battenberg Sudoku. Now I'm doing a Battenberg Sudoku, but this time it has a negative condition. So what does that mean? Normal Sudoku rules play. Each box, pardon me, each row and each column must contain digits 1 to 9 once each. Now, what else do we know? We know that whenever there's a checkerboard pattern, so similar to how it appears around this thing, the alternating digits must be odd or even. So I don't want to cheat and so if both of the, because of this symbol, both of those have to be odd and both of those have to be even. I'm going to use that pattern to color in a minute, but we'll get to that in a sec. All possible clues are given. So if there is no clue, the surrounding digits must not have a checkerboard configuration. So what we know for sure is that cannot happen. So those being pink and those being green cannot happen because we do not have a checkerboard. That's it. That's all you need to know to solve today's puzzle. I'm gonna get into it now. Let's do it. So, there's this one guy in the comments who always yells at me every time I say I'm gonna color. If you think you can do this puzzle without coloring, I'd love that for you. You go do that. I need to color this one. So, I'm gonna hold down control and I'm gonna double click on all of my odd numbers and that 9 as well. And I like mine being green. And I've been told this is, I've been told that's pink, but it also appears sort of purple to me. Your mileage may vary, your screen resolution may vary. Now, let's get into the coloring. So, I'm going to color the checkerboards that I already know so far. So, we'll do that. We'll do those ones in a sec because I'm just trying to make this make sense. And green, pink, pink. Now, doing the 6 that I already had a digit in has given me an 2 evens, so I can do this. Now, what else do we know? We know that this digit in the center has to be odd because we've shaded in 4 pinkish purples in box 5. Now we have 5 odds along the center, so all of those have to be even. Now, we can smash that green, smash that green. Now, what else do we know? We know that, I think there was, I seem to remember I had a pretty tough time when I was testing this puzzle. Now, if you don't spot it, you might have a bit of a tough time. I remember the thing that took me forever to find when I was testing this. I will come back to it. I want to show you a little bit of a cool bit of logic. So, anytime you're trying to do a parity puzzle like this, let's have a look at box 1. Now, we've got 1, 3, 7, 9. Now, we know that we can't have 2 evens here. So we know 1 odd must go there. So, or there, but doesn't matter which one it is, we know that this is forced to be even. Now, let's come over here. Both of those can't be odd, so one of them must be even, leaving us with all 4 evens in the box. All of those must be odd. Now, same logic is down here. We know that that's forced to be even. And then because our last even has to be in one of those two, we know that both of these must be odd. Now, there was a little bit of logic I was missing up here. Let's take a look at this. Pink, pink, green means that that's forced to be pink. Also, we just had everything else in that row. And over here, this is also forced to be pink. Have I missed any other ones before I point out the thing that's make me feel like an idiot? Just doing a quick little scanny scan. I think I don't have anything to add there. Cool. Here's what took me forever. Where's in box 1? Where's 2 go? The answer is 2 has to go here. So I have 2 there. And 2 here. Now, I can do, this is 6, 8. I have the 4 to break up this 2, 4 pair, 4 and 2. Now, I know that this has to be odd. And now, that's just 9. 8's going to come up here, making this 8 and then 6. Only digit left to place in column 2 is down here as a 6, forcing this to odd. Now, 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's see, can I do anything else? This is 2 and 6. Yeah, I can just do that. That's nice. 6 and 2. And then, oh, I missed this. All of those are odd. Because I have 4 evens in column 5. This now has to be odd. And this now has to be odd. Have I missed it? This over here must be odd. Forcing all of those to be purple. This has to be odd because of no checkerboard being there. Go like this. Forcing that to be a purple. That's a green. That's a green. And that's a purple. That's a green. That's a purple. Alright, so let's get to it. 4, 8, 8. Now, I've just placed the 8 up here, which means that this is 6 and 8, and this is now 8. 2, 4, 6 in column 7's place. 2 goes there. This is a 4, 6 pair. This is an 8. This is a 6. This is a 4. 6, 4, 6, 8. 4, 2, 6, and 8. Now, odds. Odds. Can't live with them. Hey. That's a 5, that's a 9, that's a 1. 5 and 9 in row 2. Can't quite do that just yet. That's okay. This is a 3, 7. Sweet. 7 and 3. This is a 1. Come down here. I don't quite know enough just yet, but that's okay. This is 3 and 9. Don't know that. 1, 5, 9 across. Oh, that's a 1, 9 pair. So let's do that. This is just a 5. 3, 7 along here. This is a 5 as well. Now, do I have enough to do the center box yet? Absolutely not. 3, 5, and 9 along here, but I have the 3, 5 in row 8, so that's 9. We have the 3 in column 2, so 3 goes down here. And this is a 5, 9 there. 1, 7 along here, but I've just placed a 9, so that's going to undo that. 1 can't go there, 1 there, 7 there. 7 here, 3 here, 5 here. 3 and 5 and 1, 9, 5, 9. 1, 5, 3 down here, we can just write those in. And then this is 7 and 9. That has been Accentuate the Negative by Clover. Wherever you are in the world. Oh, yeah, my name's still Will Murphy, by the way. Pleasure to meet you. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.